What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. I thought it was about time for a channel change name, as we have been doing quite a bit of trading lately here on the YouTube channel. So I thought it was appropriate. So we're going to go over Polygon, guys. Hey, if you get any value, it goes a long way if you smash that like button, subscribe, turn on notifications if you're new. So currently we're sitting at $1.02. We're sitting at a market cap of 6.44 billion. 24-hour volume is still quite low, guys, 292 million. And it looks like we're coming down to test that $1 strong level of support here for Polygon. If you're new to crypto, you can join the world's fastest crypto going app and receive $25 in crypto just for signing up through my referral, which is in the comment section. So we're going to start here on the hourly, guys. So we had the double bottom that we talked about in yesterday's video, and that target was met here at $1.05. So that was a nice little trade of about almost 2% here. And then we started to roll over, and it looks like we're coming back down to test that $1 level of support that we found support right here. We also found support right here. Now on the RSI, I'm sure we're trending towards oversold here on the hourly. So we may see another bounce here. That's what I'm anticipating. Yeah, you can see we're trending towards oversold once again at that $1 range. We see a little bit of a bounce. Would be nice if it was a significant bounce like we saw here, where we bounced from $1 and we saw a gain of about 24% for Matic. That brought us up to that $1.24. We are back underneath the EMAs, and as you can see here, we don't have a lot of support until we hit that $1 range. I mean, we're already sitting at $1.01, so I do think we'll come back down to test that as support here. And if we look here at our symmetrical triangle, we have fallen out of it and we're still holding that $1 level of support. We lose it, we come down to 87 cents is the technical target. We also have the previous swing high, which is about 95 cents here for Matic. So I wanted to quickly go over Ethereum. So we'll start here on the daily for Ethereum. You can see we're holding that level of support of 2081, previous level of support in this area right here as well, and almost a previous swing high. We haven't broken it over this last week or so, over these last few days. Now, if we do break underneath it, we are underneath the 20 EMA, as you can see here. We have had the bearish cross quite a while ago, back on June 7th, guys. Now, if we do lose 2081, actually, I'll drop a line in here. This was our breakout resistance from our double bottom, but it also lines up with this previous swing high. So if we were to lose 2081, could find support there at about 2034, another level of support we've been covering here on the channel. So let's hop into the 4-hour time frame here for Ethereum. So we can see here on the 4-hour, we had that double top we've been covering, and your technical breakdown target is 1980. Now I've taken our Fibonacci from our swing low here up to our swing high. You can see we're underneath the golden ratio, and right now we're trying to hold the 0.786. Let's give it a little price target at about 2092. We're trying to hold it as support, but we are underneath the EMAs. We're underneath the golden ratio. So if we lose a 0.786, do expect us to reach this technical target at 1980. And then we do have the 1.272 extension at about 1920. Now, if we do hold support here and we bounce, as I did show you there with Matic on the hourly, on the RSI, we were trending towards oversold. So we may see a little bit of a bounce, but let's go into the hourly chart here for Matic. Or sorry, for Ethereum. So you can see that little double bottom here for Ethereum as well, and that target was met. So that was a nice little trading opportunity here, as they move, as you know, Ethereum and Polygon move very, very closely together. Now we do have that little bit of double top here for Ethereum as well, which would bring us down basically right down to that 2092 level of support. So keep an eye on that, guys. We may see a little bit of bounce, and if we do, we'll drop in some levels of resistance right here at about 2157, and I'll drop this one in as well here at about 2202. But we are in a downtrend, guys. The volume is very, very low right now. The bulls are in control. However, they're showing us they don't have that much strength with this major decrease in volume. We have still broken out of our descending broadening channel, which is bullish. You can see we are starting to create a little bit of an uptrend here. So it would be crucial for us to hold these levels of support if we were to continue to do a little bit of something like this. where we slowly but surely start trending back upwards. However, if we start to lose that level of support here at 2092, we start to break down, we lose 2037, which was a strong level of support, previous resistance, then we'll see that continuation to the downside and the continuation of the downtrend, as we do have that breakdown target for Ethereum, which I don't think we'll reach from our ascending triangle here, which is down at 1412, which is a previous swing high of the bull run. I don't think we'll come all the way down to that. There's a lot of levels of support along the way, and we might see a little bit of bounce here from our current level of about 2092, as we may see a little bit of a bounce here, as this has been a strong level of support. However, if we lose that level 2092, do expect that 1980, and then we have 1920, the 1.272 extension. All right, guys, so let's go over those future price targets here for Matic. We have the 1.272 at 381, the 1.414 at 465, $6 at the 1.618, and that guesstimate at $10 here. That is if this is our true bottom here for Matic. If we do start to lose that $1 level of support, we have that previous swing high at about 94 cents. Move this up a little bit, and then our swing low does come back down to that 74 cents. All right, guys, so hopefully we see an increase in volume soon. You can see, look here, the volume is just absolutely depleted, which can lead to a huge spike in volume, which I've been covering here on the channel. All right, guys, so that's it for this one. If you got any value, make sure to smash that like button. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter. Check out the Discord, Patreon link in the bio. I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Much love.